G'day guys, this video is for the Wedgetail camper owners, in particular the Wedgetail 22, and prior to that it was just called the Wedgetail. What we're going to do is look at maintaining the two winches that are in the camper. So this is one of the winches that I've taken out so you can see the gears. What we use is a multi-purpose grease, hopefully that focuses there. And just apply it with a finger or a paddle pop stick into the gears that mesh together there. So as you crank the handle, making sure a nice even application of grease is all the way around there. And then the next thing to do is just check the bolts that actually hold this plate down, ensuring they're tight. So at least every 6 months, check that. But if you use your camper often, check it more regularly. You don't want these gears to dry out. It causes additional friction that's just not necessary. This winch here happens to be a silent one, so as I turn that handle, very minimal sound. The older campers have what's called a ratchet. So quite a noisy winch. The main roof opening can be upgraded to this one if you have an older camper with the ratchet style. The rear pod can only have this one though, so we can't upgrade that to a silent. They physically don't fit at this stage. So there you have it. Maintain your winch. It opens and closes your campers, so we've got to look after that. See you next video.